The oceans on our planet cover nearly 361 million square kilometers. That's about 71% of Earth's entire surface. Beneath those waves lie millions of secrets, some we've uncovered, and some that perhaps were never meant to be found. Among all these mysteries, one name stands above the rest: the Mariana Trench, the deepest, darkest, and most dangerous place on Earth. It's only 69 kilometers wide, but it stretches over 2,550 kilometers long. Located in the Pacific Ocean, near the island of Guam, and at its deepest point, the ocean drops to an 11-kilometer below the surface. In 1875, scientists sent sonar signals deep into the sea, and when those echoes returned, they revealed something that stunned the world. A pit so deep it reached 11,000 meters down. The British ship HMS Challenger made this shocking discovery. Years later, in 1951, an upgraded vessel called Challenger 2 went back, confirming what no one believed possible. The Earth hides an entire unknown world beneath its surface. Down there, the water pressure reaches 16,000 psi. That's over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. A force so powerful, it could crush a bulletproof car in seconds. And yet, even in this crushing darkness, life exists. Scientists have discovered nearly 5,000 unique creatures inside the Mariana Trench, species that exist nowhere else on Earth. Some are transparent, some have no eyes at all, and some are so bizarre they've never been captured clearly on camera. Some theories even suggest that deep within this trench lies an entirely different world, a world that doesn't follow our laws of physics or biology. And perhaps the most chilling theory of all, some believe that the Megalodon, the largest and deadliest predator in Earth's history, may still be lurking down there, waiting to rise again. You'll see real underwater footage captured from inside the trench and discover the shocking evidence that left scientists speechless. But first, think about this. If life exists down there, what does that say about how little we truly know about our own planet? At just 200 meters below the surface, sunlight starts to fade. But beyond 2,000 meters, it disappears completely. No light, no warmth, only cold, crushing darkness. And in that eternal night, life still thrives. Here, deep beneath the waves, exists a creature that looks like it came straight from a nightmare. It's called the deep sea dragonfish, first discovered in 1906 in the darkest parts of the Pacific Ocean. At first, scientists had no clue what they had found, but when they studied it closely, the results shocked the entire scientific community. The dragonfish was just 6 inches long, but completely black, with razor-sharp transparent teeth, and a body built to survive where no other creature can. It hunts by producing its own light, a terrifying blue glow from its body that lures prey in total darkness. Some researchers even called it the most horrifying creature of the deep. And it's not just creepy, it's dangerous. The dragonfish can dive as deep as 4,500 meters, searching for prey where no sunlight has ever reached. The frilled shark, the living fossil. But the dragonfish isn't alone. In those same black waters lurks another ancient predator, the frilled shark. This creature was first discovered by marine biologists in 2004, nearly 900 meters below the ocean surface. And just 3 years later, in 2007, a Japanese fisherman accidentally caught a female frilled shark, a terrifying 5.5-foot-long specimen, gray-brown in color, with 6 frilled gills and a body shaped like an eel. Its head looked like a serpent, and its mouth held 300 needle-sharp teeth, each perfectly designed to trap anything that moved. These sharks grow up to 8 feet long, weigh nearly 130 kilograms, and can dive 2 kilometers deep into the abyss. Some scientists call them living fossils, because they've remained unchanged for 80 million years. But now, their population is collapsing. Many experts believe they may soon go extinct, taking with them one of nature's oldest secrets: the Goblin Shark, monster from the deep. But the frilled shark is only half the horror story, because deeper still, around 3,000 to 4,000 meters down, lurks a creature that seems too bizarre to be real: the Goblin Shark. It was first discovered more than a century ago, but modern scientists were able to study it only in the past few decades. Why? Because sightings are extremely rare. This shark has been seen only a handful of times, and every time it left scientists speechless. Its most shocking ability? The Goblin Shark can extend its jaw forward like an alien, snatching prey with lightning speed. It's around 16 feet long, weighs over 200 kilograms, and can survive at depths where almost nothing else can. After a few rare sightings, the Goblin Shark vanished again. No more footage, no more records. Some researchers believe it's now extinct. Others think it's still down there, waiting, unseen, in the cold black trench. The strongest creature on Earth. For years, scientists thought they had seen it all, until at nearly 9,000 meters deep, they discovered something completely unexpected. A small fish, barely 12 inches long, living under a pressure that could crush a submarine, and yet it was alive, calm, and perfectly adapted. This tiny creature, known as the Mariana Snailfish, is now considered the toughest animal on Earth. It thrives where no bone should survive, and where life itself should be impossible. It's proof that even in the most hostile places on Earth, life finds a way. But here's the real mystery. If creatures like these can survive 11 kilometers beneath the ocean, what else could be living down there? Some researchers believe something far larger, something bigger than the Megalodon, still roams those depths. Scientists once believed that dinosaurs were the most powerful creatures to ever walk the planet. But what if I told you something far smaller, still alive today, is many times stronger than any dinosaur that ever existed? Deep inside the Mariana Trench, in the pitch-black waters where no light has ever touched, lives a mysterious fish known as the snailfish, a creature so tough that it can survive under pressures strong enough to crush steel, submarines, and even entire trains. You see, dinosaurs could only handle a few tons of weight above them, but this small, ghostly snailfish can endure pressure equal to 1,600 elephants, or more than 500 dinosaurs pressing down on it at once. That's around 16,000 psi, the same as if an entire Boeing 777 airplane was sitting right on top of you. And yet, this tiny fish survives, perfectly calm in those impossible depths. Its body is pale white, almost transparent. You can even see its bones glow faintly beneath its skin, earning it the name ghost fish. To this day, it's the deepest living fish ever discovered, spotted at depths near 11 kilometers below the surface, a place where life simply shouldn't exist. The transparent octopus, the ocean's invisible wonder. But not everything in the abyss is terrifying. Some creatures down there are so strange, they're beautiful. At around 3,000 meters deep, scientists discovered one of the rarest species on Earth, the telescope octopus, also called the transparent octopus. It's about 10 to 15 inches long, with 8 glowing arms that shimmer softly in the darkness. And unlike any other octopus known, its eyes are tubular, shaped like a telescope, allowing it to spot prey and light from far away. This strange and graceful creature seems to float through the deep like a ghost made of glass, proof that even the darkest corners of the ocean hold beauty. The Barreleye Fish, the fish with a glass head. And then there's the Barreleye Fish, a creature so bizarre it looks like something from another world. Barely 6 inches long, its head is completely transparent, like a living glass bubble. Inside, 2 glowing green orbs slowly rotate, allowing the fish to look up through its own head to find prey in the pitch-black darkness. It lives nearly 2,800 meters below the surface, in the quiet, frozen stillness of the deep sea. Scientists call it one of the most fascinating deep-sea species ever discovered. And still we didn't know that how much actually deep ocean is, and the world is also worrying more. And can't solving the mystery of Bermuda Triangle? What is the Bermuda Triangle, and why hundreds of ships and plane lost? Here we are working, you will see that.